Extreme wind test with the H16 Brushless Drone. Let's check it out. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Drone Mania. Okay, so we're here with the anemometer to see how strong the winds are for an extreme wind test. Powering it on. That's going up and up. Whoa! Look at those just rise and going down slowly, so you can see it vary, but it is really powerful up there. Wow. Okay, my friends, we are all set. I apologize if the sound is not the greatest. There is a lot of wind, and I do not have a microphone for the GoPro Hero 11. So just real quick, this is the H16 Brushless, which means it has brushless motors, and it's not your ordinary toy drone that comes with stock brushed motors. I doubt with these extreme winds of over 20 kilometers an hour, it will be able to hold up and hold its position and not just completely fizzle and go crazy. I really doubt it'll be able to hold. Unlike the Telo drone by Rise that really holds up in these powerful winds, which I will leave a link up here, which you can go and check out the extreme footage, extreme video of the Telo drone holding up in similar strength of winds, my friends. So we are all set. Let's dive into it and check out how the H16 Brushless holds up. Okay, it's automatic binded. I'm gonna go straight for takeoff, which is right over here. I hope you can see that. I hope you can see the drone, and let's see how it reacts to these extreme winds for toy grade drones. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa, it's not going nuts. It's holding its height. I actually thought it would just flimsel and go nuts, but it is actually holding. It's actually holding in the air. It can't hold its position because the winds are really strong. Look, I'm holding back, as you can see on the controller, complete back. As soon as I let go of back, it will just completely fly forward. So if we're talking of holding its position in extreme winds like the Telo drone did, which is a tiny brush toy grade drone, then this is a complete flop, my friends, because it cannot hold at all. Look, I'm holding back all the time. Watch when I let go, boom, it's gonna come straight forward to me. Look at that. And then I'm holding it again, not to crash on the tree. So you can see it cannot hold at all. That is crazy, and the winds are very strong. Very strong. I'm holding back all the time, my friends, not letting go. As you can see, holding it back position, and it's holding back. As soon as I let go, watch how it will come towards me in 3, 2, 1. Boom, look at that. So as you can see, the positioning system that it has, it's the most basic in toy grade drones. It's the standard positioning system for all toy grade drones. The reason I know this is because they're all going on the same system, all of them, because it's the most cheapest one you can get and add it to a drone to keep the cost lows. Don't forget, the Telo drone comes at $100. So you can imagine how much they invested in the positioning system in it. Like, it's holding itself, it's software, everything comes at a cost. The design itself, I don't think it's that expensive because it is tiny and it's basically plastic and everything similar to these. So the main reason why you're spending so much money on the Tello drone is for that amazing positioning system that it has without GPS, as well the software, because the software is pretty badass, and sorry, also the camera quality. But these drones cost 20-30 bucks, some 40, some even 18, 15. If you're lucky and you go on Temu, you can find them for like 3 to 5 bucks, which I get a lot of comments of people saying they buy drones similar to these, not brushless of course, but the brushed ones for those prices, so I can understand. So anyways, still holding, so it's not holding the position, don't think it is, I'm always holding on it. Let's let go for a second, and it's gonna come flying. Let's see it fly, fly, fly. Look how fast it's going. That is funny. So anyways, this is a complete fail for it. Let's just land it because it's just embarrassing itself. So that's pretty much it for this video, my friends. It was mainly to see if the H16 Brushless has the power and the good quality of positioning itself and holding its position through extreme winds, which unfortunately it does not. You could fly it, I guess, but not enjoy anything of it. But as you can see, it was able to fly it in this positioning, but it was in this situation, but it can't really hold itself in these type of winds, unlike the Tello drone. So that is a complete fail for the H16 Brushless, my friends. Hope this video helped you out, hope you enjoyed it, hope you got some info and understanding of the H16 Brushless, my friends. Till next time, remember to be safe, take care, have fun, and peace out, people. Bam.